Hello, hello, hello to all my crafty creators. Today I am coming to you because I wanted to do a test. I'm going to, I made some paste and I made the paste, but I'll tell you at the end how I made it if it works, okay? Another test that I'm doing is the Deco Premium pen. I've got it in the rose gold. This one says oil base, okay? I want to find out if the oil base will work and peel off with the resin. Now, I'm so curious about this. I'm using a mold that I don't care about. I'm using my super clear epoxy, and I am going to go ahead and start. I'll try to keep everything so that you can see it. See, I'll put that there. And I don't think I'm going to use alcohol, but just in case, I'll just set it there. So, I am now going to begin. I'm going to just draw some lines any kind of way. Don't matter how I do it. Just going to do it. I really don't know if this will work. I've seen, who was it that I saw? It was, I think it was Pouring Your Heart Out, Miss Julie. She used one of these, but of course it was water based. So I want to try the oil base and see how well it works. I'm not sure if it'll work at all. It might just remain on the coaster. I don't know. So, and this paste, I don't know whether it'll work or not, but I'm gonna try it. I don't know whether I should let this dry or not, but I'm just gonna go ahead because I'm not gonna waste y'all time. I made this today, so whether it works or not, I don't know. Let's see, can I move this over so that I can let you see how much I'll put out. So, oops. Oh, 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 big mess, big mess, big mess, catch it. Oh, I caught it. Well, of course, I didn't have that on all the way real tight, I guess. But, like I said, I'm trying it and I'm going to see will it work. So, just going to mix that up in there. See if it has some tint to it. Let's see. There's a little bit of tint. I'll see, can I scrape the sides off? Trying to stir it up really good. So, I'm not getting aggravated or frustrated or any of that kind of stuff, but I do, it seems like this is very transparent. So what I'm gonna do, I'll add, hold my stick up so you can see how much more I'll add if it ever come out. Okay. So let that come out like that. Wipe it off really quickly and stir a little bit more. Okay, now that isn't as transparent, but you still can see through it a little bit. So that's okay. It's okay, because like I said, I'm trying it. Let's make sure, yep, you can see that. Just gonna go ahead and pour it on. Pour it on in. It's not really bad, y'all. Okay. Let's see, can I scrape every last drop out of this because it is flush. Yep, it's flush. But we're gonna go ahead and see, can we just get the rest of it in there. And I think I only used around what was it? 40 milliliters. I mean milliliters. That's what I used. 40 milliliters. So that's just over an ounce. So I've got to take this and get this up because I did make a mess. You know, my video is not quite the same unless I make some type of a mess. So I gotta stop it. I'm gonna get more serious. So let me just place this back on. So that's why people use little jars for the paste in case they have an accident like I did. Put that on really quick. Okay, now let me get this other mess up. Okay. And I don't think that, I think I'm a torch. I don't think I'm gonna use the alcohol. I'm a torch, so that I'm gonna just try to do this in a fair way. I got a lot of bubbles that came up though. I'm so eager to find out if this works or not. We will find out. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back when it's time to demold. Okay, I am back. Now, just for a recap, I'd like for you all to like, if you can take a moment right now and just like the video. As I said, it'll help me show up in different feeds, and when I'm doing crafty things like this, it'll just help out a lot. Even if you don't subscribe, that's fine, but just like it, or if you don't like it, don't like it. Leave a comment, whatever you choose to do, but I'm trying to grow here, so anything would actually help. So on to the video. Okay, I just covered that with just a little Dollar Tree bowl. Let's see what we have, and we're gonna find out if this pen actually worked. I don't know whether it did or not. There was no peekaboos. And so, oh, it worked, you guys. Oh yes, it did, you guys. It worked. It worked. See, there's nothing on it. It worked. So, for those of you that want to find out if your DecoColor pen, the one with the oil based, if you're trying to find out if it works or not, it does. So there it is. It does work. Everything came out nice. And for this, okay, I tried to make a paste because I'm not like this big YouTuber or anything, and I'm trying to figure out how do they do their paste. How do they make their paste? So I tried and I succeeded. It is blue. It's blue. So I took and used my part A of my resin, well, my epoxy. I took part A, and I took some of that, at least about this dropper here holds 15 milliliters. So I took and put 10 milliliters of resin into like the little graduated measuring cup. And then I took my mica, which is Meyspring's mica. This is the Pacific Blue. And I just stirred it, and until it became smooth. So then that's when y'all saw me use this to make this. Okay, so it worked. I'm gonna be doing some more tests to find out, because I really just did this just to see would it even work, and of course it did. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever. Leave a comment. Let me know if you actually tried to do this test before, or if you haven't. But I took a chance at doing it because this mold here, I really don't care nothing about it. And so I said, well, I'll just take and use my pen and draw on it and just see, will it come out to be right? And of course it did. And then my other test was to use the part A of the resin to mix with the mica powder to see could I make a paste. So I've done that, and hey, we got ourselves a winner. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.